Okay, howdy, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Sorry for the late upload. Trying to get this video out as quickly as possible. Today, I thought I'd just do a fun little video about the Viotek gaming monitor. So I just wanted to see what the most expensive monitor was on Amazon. I don't know if there is a more expensive one than this, but this one costs as much as a budget gaming PC at $750. This is 27 inches. As you can see, it has this like border around it, so you stay locked in while you're gaming. Like kind of gets rid of your peripheral vision in a way. Here are the overall dimensions and the size. You can rotate it vertically if you want to like do some coding or stuff like that. It has FreeSync. You just read this here. Performance that matters. You push yourself hard every day, every time you play. Need the monitor, you can push just as hard, lightning fast, liquid smooth, simply stunning. 1 millisecond response time, 144 hertz refresh rate. I'm surprised you didn't get 240 honestly at this price point, but it's 4K. I don't know if a lot of 4K 240 hertz monitors. We have NVIDIA G-Sync on here. High performance. I don't know why you'd be buying 4 of these. That's just so much money that you're spending when you probably could spend it on something better. Standard 1080p monitor, like the one I did a review on last time, which was like $85 or something. Nuts. I would not recommend you guys pay $750 unless you just want to burn money and you have it lying around. It's 4K, 1 millisecond, HDR ready, which is nice. IPS, G-Sync ready, 2 HDMI's. 2 times DP, I don't know what that is. 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. You can tilt it, swivel, pivot it, and you get a 3-year warranty, which is cool. I've never even heard of the company called Viotek. I don't know if you guys have, but leave a comment down below if you have. And that's pretty much it for the whole specs of this. I mean, it doesn't feature Amazon Prime shipping, which is weird. And there are no reviews on here. So I don't really know what to make of this. I think it's only sold third party at this point. I mean, it's got an ergonomic stand. You'd say that about it. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I know it was short, but yeah, this monitor's crazy. I'll link it below if you guys want to buy it. And we'll see you guys in the next upcoming video from Life Made Easy. Peace out, guys.